Cadent, the leading provider of 3D digital solutions for the orthodontic and dental industries, serving thousands of cases each week, introduces OrthoCAD IQ, a computer-guided bracket placement system that calculates optimal bracket placement positions. OrthoCAD IQ saves precious time through unprecedented control before treatment even begins, allowing a better overall orthodontic experience. OrthoCAD IQ's bracket placement technology helps manage unexpected appointments, improves office scheduling, increases the quality of treatment, and enhances the patient experience, all while enhancing your reputation as a cutting-edge practice. Join us to explore the technology behind OrthoCAD IQ, because investing a few moments of your time now can pay big-time dividends down the road. Each OrthoCAD IQ case begins in the orthodontist's office, where the patient's PVS impression, bite registration, and panoramic x-rays are taken. Along with these patient records and the prescribed brackets, a customized prescription is completed and sent to the Cadent OrthoCAD facility. The shipment, sent from the orthodontic office, arrives at the Cadent OrthoCAD facility the next business day. The patient information is immediately registered into the company's database. At this point, every case receives a unique registration number, so it can be easily tracked throughout the entire production process. For those customers who have signed up for the advanced bracket storage service, the appropriate brackets from the customer's inventory stored at Cadent are pulled according to the patient appliance prescription. A quality control check is done to make sure the selected bracket matches the bracket specified on the prescription form. The PVS impression is also examined. Next, using the highest quality material, a stone cast is created from the impression. The bite registration is used to establish the relationship between the upper and lower arches using a digital scanning process. Then the casts are scanned individually. The result is an exact digital 3D rendition of the stone cast. The power of the sophisticated proprietary computer algorithms separate and define the shape of each tooth of the 3D digital model and establish the spatial relationships. Afterwards, the virtual brackets, customized according to the tooth anatomy, are automatically placed on the virtual model. OrthoCAD's proprietary software arranges the teeth in the prescribed end-of-treatment outcome and then calculates the corresponding bracket placement. As part of the Cadent quality control process, the clinical specialist examines the newly created 3D virtual treatment outcome, confirming that it matches the prescription along with the doctor's end-of-treatment preferences. The clinical specialist adds relevant treatment notes for the orthodontist to enter into the treatment plan. At the end of this step, the virtual straight wire is placed. This is the fundamental underlying principle of the OrthoCAD IQ software: optimal bracket placement using straight wire technique. Next, the clinical specialist electronically submits the virtual setup model to the orthodontist. The orthodontist, trained on the user-friendly software, makes minor adjustments if needed. Then the orthodontist submits his or her final approval to the Cadent OrthoCAD facility. Now it is time to place the brackets on the stone model. Using sophisticated, state-of-the-art image recognition technology, combined with powerful computer-guided targeting technology, each bracket is positioned according to the doctor-approved virtual setup. The green light signifies when bracket is in the exact position. When the ideal position is achieved, the tacking procedure that prevents the bracket from drifting is activated. Next, a high-intensity light curing process cures the adhesive on the brackets, and the bracket positions are rechecked. Then the customized OrthoCAD IQ trays are fabricated and examined 2 more times to ensure the bracket positions correspond to the virtual setup model. The IQ trays are placed in a protective orange case. Each case is inserted into a container that can be used chairside to hold material such as etch and sealant. Finally, the container with the IQ tray is placed into a box that is shipped overnight to the orthodontic office for bonding day. With OrthoCAD IQ, you can offer a greater level of service to your patients while differentiating yourself as a cutting-edge practice. When IQ technology is combined with the doctor's gifted artistic talents, you've got an improved orthodontic experience. To learn more about how OrthoCAD IQ can help you, your staff, and your patients, contact us today at 800-577-8767 or go to our website, www.orthocad.com. You'll soon discover why it's time for technology like OrthoCAD IQ. It's about time.